Donald Trump's so-called law and order machine is collapsing in real time, and even prosecutors inside his own Justice Department are utterly stunned by how fast it's all unraveling. Trump's hand-picked political hit squad led by DC U.S. Attorney Jeannine Pirro has been humiliated again and again.
Take over here in the district, we're hearing from the U.S. Attorney for D.C., Jeannine Pirro, after a grand jury declined to indict former DOJ employee Sean Dunn for throwing a sandwich at federal officers earlier this month. While speaking on Fox News, Pirro put the blame on D.C. residents for being so used to crime.
There are a lot of people who sit on juries and they live in, they live in Georgetown or in Northwest or in some of these better areas, and they don't see the reality of crime that is occurring. And my office has been instructed to move for the highest crime possible, consistent with the law, the statute, and the evidence. And in that one case, in that particular article, we were on point. But the grand jurors don't take it so seriously. They're like, whatever. And my job is to try to turn that around and to continue to give the support that my prosecutors need. In that case, we took it as a misdemeanor, and we'll go forward with it. The fact that they're so used to crime, that crime is so normalized in D.C., that they don't even care about whether or not the law is violated is the very essence of what my problem is in D.C.
Losing major cases in front of both grand juries and juries. These were supposed to be slam dunks against Trump's critics and protesters, but instead they're turning into embarrassing acquittals. Take the case of Sydney Lori Reed. For example, she beat the government for separate times, walking free after prosecutors tried to brand her as an assailant for standing up to Trump's abuse of power. And yet, Trump keeps doubling down, weaponizing justice while his entire legal operation burns down around him. The truth. The real lawbreakers are the ones trying to silence dissent, and this collapse proves that even juries can see through the lies. The Trump tough-on-crime myth. It's officially shattered.